Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Japneet. Hope you guys are fine and safe. Today's video is all about the recently asked cue cards. These are those cue cards which are mostly asked and at multiple places on multiple dates. But today I will talk about the top 5 cue cards which are asked very frequently. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight to it. The first one is describe a line from a song or a poem. And it was asked in Moga on 24th of March. Although there are many ideas of this cue card, yet I have one. Actually, in this cue card, I explained about the song which is called Ki Banu Duniya Da. It was the collaboration work of the legend Gurdas Mann and the current trending pop star Diljit Dosanjh. Moreover, I also explained about a lot of things about the past and present. Like in that song, they compared the past scenario with the present one, whether it was about the respect or some other things. You can also explain that particular line, that Ki Banu Duniya Da, which means what will happen to the world. So yeah, it was one of my favorite songs back then. That's why I thought that I should go for it. The next most repetitive cue card is describe an important rule in your school. It was asked in Bathinda on 21st of March. And here you can mention about ample rules that are implemented in the school, but I explained about the uniform. The reason of choosing this rule is I can explain this idea as long as I want, because there is not just a single uniform. There is winter uniform, summers, even on Saturdays you can mention about that. Students used to wear colorful uniforms. Some were with the yellow t-shirts and some used to wear red, green and blue. You can mention about different houses which students used to belong and how they were assigned different colored uniforms for Saturday. Not only the uniform, you can also explain about the ID card, the belt, the tie, जो accessory होती है, ठीक है, you can also mention about that. Moreover, you can also explain about the socks, shoes, blazers, sweaters, caps, gloves. There are many things that you can easily elaborate in this cue card, and that's why I chose uniform to be the best idea, I guess, for me and for my students also. So let's move to the third one, that is describe a person who contributes to the society. It was asked in Delhi on 25th of March. You can mention about your grandfather or grandmother. Actually, this cue card is a kind of jumbo cue card. You can use this single idea for an energetic person. For this one also, the person who contributes to the society. We can also use this idea in the cue card, describe one of your grandparents' jobs. So yeah, I guess that is the perfect idea. You can mention that my grandfather was an army officer. After getting retired, he started teaching free of cost. Rather than enjoying his retirement life, he started conducting a lot of sessions. Either these are related to school subjects or moral values. Besides this, you can also elaborate about his daily routine, where he usually goes to the park in the morning and tries to water all the plants. This is, I guess, one of the most common activities for any old person. Moreover, since your grandfather is a retired army officer, so you can also mention that he every day gives training to the young children how to join the army and how to clear physical and written tests. So yes, this is one of the most practical ideas according to me. Let's move to the fourth common cue card, that is describe a job that is useful for the society. It was asked in Jalandhar to one of my students on 20th March. I guess you can talk about teaching, banking or working as a lieutenant in the army. You can talk about a police job here. So there are many ideas. Let's move to the last one, that is describe a time that something changed your life in a good way. That was asked in Surat, Gujarat on 20th March. Here you can talk about choosing a particular stream after 10th standard. You can also add that your siblings or your cousins gave a lot of suggestions to you. Even your 10th class in charge helped you out in choosing that stream. Earlier you didn't want to go in that stream, but when your teachers explained the benefits and the job benefits and the opportunities that a person gets after being in this stream, so this changed your life a lot. Now you want to pursue your graduation or undergraduate diploma in Canada. After completing that, after coming back to India, I want to work here in this particular multinational company, this and that. So you can talk about selecting a stream and that change your life in a good way. So these were some repetitive cue cards. अगर आपको भी कोई cue card पूछा गया है तो make sure कि comment में ज़रूर बताना. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.